So I have tried to list some of the issues which were like over a month old. Those were actually new EIPs, but for some reason they were not merged. I have added a list of that too, and rest all as usual. So yeah, over to you.
Sweet. Is my audio unbearable, or can you hear me okay?
It's okay.
Yeah, fine.
All of a sudden, it just got extremely loud out here in the last 15 minutes. It was so peaceful earlier. Alrighty. So I should just start at the top, or should I start with something else, Pooja?
Anyway, it's fine. I just wanted to give you a heads up that we have added some of the older proposals too.
Okay. I'll start with the miscellaneous. Fix SPDX license identifier. Wow. I don't know if we can do this. This is put in here by the authors. I don't think that we can just go in and say, this is a CCO now.
It needs author approval for sure.
I'm fine adding it to like a EIP meeting agenda because there were so many, so I just added it here. We take a look.
Yeah. So I'm guessing it's probably the same deal for all of these.
I guess there are 4 other pull requests, 31 to 35, all 4.
Okay, this one actually we can approve, I think. Yeah, these random IT. This one should be okay though. There's CCO, it's just clarifying it's 1.0.
Yeah, that one looks fine. I mean, yeah.
EW no like.
Thankfully, it's not a required check.
Oh. All right.
That's a discussion for tomorrow.
I can't wait.
There were more. I just have added 31 and 35, but there are
I
2,
see.
3.
Sorry.
Yes.
What is bustle?
I don't know. It's like I've never seen that one before.
Is it like the Boost Universal Software license? I don't know.
This one's actually okay, it looks like. Okay, I think that was it. Yep. Alrighty. Add RC information. I just don't understand.
Oh, this is still being discussed. I wouldn't approve this or anything yet.
Yeah.
But technically we're allowed to redistribute RFCs, so we could link to them without external links. Yeah.
Decentralized is the preferred choice of discussion too.
Is it the cat herders that runs the Fellowship of Ethereum Magicians, or?
No,
I think
it's
the EF
not there.
does.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we have bigger fish to fry.
Yeah, I'm okay with closing it.
Yeah, I mean, like it took a lot of time for us to make FEM as a centralized place, and now we are decentralizing that.
Yeah. Like the only thing I'd like from the Fellowship of Ethereum Magicians forum is like a torrent of a backup, like once a month or something. That's
Yeah.
about it. Yeah.
I remember reading Micah's comment somewhere. He mentioned that possibly it is being backed up, although we need to get it confirmed from one of the FEM people.
Man, we got Alex Van de Send to comment.
Yeah, this one's interesting. I think it's good to merge, I think.
Yeah, I mean, it looks fine to me. Let me just check the text real quick. Do I need to force merge this, or is it gonna accept now? Probably need to force merge.
Yeah, I think so. Because Alex didn't actually approve the PR.
I think Alex did approve the PR.
No, he just said he approved the PR.
Oh, okay. What else did he say? I don't have access to the old account.
Yeah, so he changed the editor field to his new account. But
You did? Okay, cool.
Yeah. Cool. So yeah, guess we have a PR. How many withdrawn EIPs are there? I don't think there's that many.
Probably like a dozen or two. Do we even have the ability to see that? There's a handful. There's like maybe 20.
Oh yeah,
25.
yeah, I see him here.
Yeah, I mean, it is in every category, like it divided
Yeah.
category wise. Yeah. Yeah, handful.
Right. Changing ERC with EAP along with relative links. $34.75.
Just for some context, I had a chat
I
with
see.
author here. We have
Okay.
invited them for a peep and eep and he explained, and as per our documentation process that we are following for EIP 1, so far I requested him to change it to EIP instead of ERC. But and later on I found that there is another, I don't know, issue or pull request which suggests that we may be changing it to ERC. I'm not sure. So yeah, just to add context here.
Yeah, I think the rules as implemented in EIP right now are EIP, not ERC, but that's easy to change if we want.
So we're gonna talk about tomorrow.
Yeah, I think I have added it there. 2.3. Yep. So it is for
Okay.
ERCs versus ERCX. Yeah.
I'm just gonna say we're gonna wait until after. Do I need to even do anything? Like, don't they have the ability to just merge this themselves?
Yeah, they can do that. Actually, they are in the last call and they are just trying to fulfill every requirement so the proposal can be moved to final. And this was a suggestion from me that they should be just updating it. So, I mean, I don't see any issue. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, do you know why it didn't auto merge for them then? Is this person not on here?
You'd have
This
to go
person,
look at the.
All the checks
All
have
checks
passed.
passed. Yep. Give it a
So
close and open, maybe.
Yeah, let's turn her off, turn her back on real quick. Shoot, it closed it with my comment. I'll wait.
Yeah, I think you can just delete that.
Oh, man. It's unclear what that means.
Have you been finding the output from EIP helpful?
It has been pretty helpful so far.
Okay.
I assume that'll merge. We'll just leave it in the background for now. $165 is a dependency. Hmm. This requires 165. 165 is the interface format.
Yeah, it supports interface.
Yeah, I mean, it says in the spec, like, that it implements this, so. I don't know, I'm generally a fan of making updates like this without making all of the changes.
Yeah, agreed.
Okay, making all stress except for it. I tried to. What non-normative changes are?
Like reordering the sections and stuff like that.
Oh, some of the changes required. Right. Wait, non-normative. The meaning is changed. What meaning would be changed by an EW request? Doesn't make sense. The type header field. I don't think the header fields have to be ordered, do they?
They do, yeah.
Okay. I think it says they have to be ordered though. Oh no, it does.
Yeah, it does.
They do have to be. Never mind. I don't know why I questioned the EIP static analysis DOD.
Well, I don't know. Sometimes I get confused between what's an actual rule and what Micah yells at people. So, you know.
Okay, so that should be above category, and they haven't updated that. Okay, that merged. Nice.
A disclaimer here. Today I have updated the EIP editor's apprenticeship HackMD file with one comment, and that comment was related to a stagnant EIP. So that EIP received some update. And Micah's comment was like a stagnant EIP should not receive update without the status change. So I have added that as recommendation for new EIP editors or apprentice. So I don't know. I mean, as Sam rightly said, what is the rule? Sometimes we get confused, but I'm considering sometimes that as a reference point to share with people.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's correct. If you update an EIP, it's not stagnant anymore. So.
Yeah, right. So the recommendation was either you reach out to author, get it to review a draft, or we cannot approve this pull request.
Disallowed word smart in EIP titles and descriptions. Lord.
See, smart, I think, appears in a lot like less PRs than standard.
Yeah.
But I don't really care.
I also don't really care. Let's just take a little look. Ethereum smart contract packaging standard. See, that would just be annoying if I couldn't say smart, I think.
Agreed. Yeah.
Revised Ethereum smart contract packing. The same thing. For smart contract. Oh, like interfaces. Smart proposal. I mean, yeah, I don't know what that means.
Yeah, that one's pretty.
I mean, this is
bad.
just a bad title. Like, I think that the problem is that this shouldn't have been approved with that title. Look how easy it is to find the ETH when the number matches the PR.
I have added that discussion for tomorrow's discussion.
Okay, I don't really think this is a change that we should have.
I feel like even a standard is something that is sometimes needed.
Occasionally, I
Yeah.
agree.
It's every single ERC put the word standard in the title. That one.
Yeah, I
feel
think it's
pretty
easier to
strongly about.
abuse. Yeah, it's a lot easier. I feel like smart is pretty hard. Like, we just don't see it abused that much. Which one was that? This one. Okay. Oh man. Last call. 2612.
Oh, the last call deadline needs to be pushed down.
A question, does our bot even check for the order of the fields those are added in preamble? Because I have seen people write anything anywhere.
So EPW does check them now.
Oh, that's nice.
Please push an empty commit.
Yeah, I think they didn't realize you can just open and close the PRs.
Yeah, so that's still waiting on them to fix EW. Entangled tokens.
Oh my god, this was such an unclear PR. It's gotten better. It's gotten better, but yeah.
Wow, this has comments on it.
Oh, it didn't auto merge. What's under? Like, does it have an editor approval? Yeah, it has Panda Pip, I think.
Panda Pim and this guy Sam Wilson.
Oh, I don't know if I approved it.
You did.
Oh, I did. Yeah.
Why no work? The world if the EIP bot just merged whenever all the checks passed.
We should make a browser extension to make memes for GitHub. I think that'd be pretty funny.
So what do you mean make memes for your GitHub?
Like it adds a button to every text field where it's like insert meme and lets you find an image template and then image edit it right in GitHub.
God. That would be lovely. Rate limiter for token outflows from contracts.
I love it when people tag us. Like, we don't constantly read the EIP's repository.
Hello, sirs. Do you mind a review? Looks like they haven't responded to Panda Pip's review. Let's give them a taste of their own medicine. Authenticity method for client script. Assert and revoke the authenticity of ERC 5169. Still waiting for Panda Pip updates. Okay, still waiting on that one as well. Cross-chain execution. They're very, very excited about this. They have not. Okay. So you clear the last three comments and get. Okay.
Yeah, has it run on this?
And see. No. If I close and open it, will it?
I have no idea. Let's find out.
Turn her off, turn her back on.
Yep.
Do we need a bot to which can only close and open it if something is not running?
I think we could do a I think EIP bot is a GitHub app, so it can watch for comments, and if it gets mentioned, maybe rerun the CI. I'm not sure how that would work.
Cross-chain execution for EVM-based blockchains. Oh, what is this? This is this James Presswich's project? What is James Presswich's project right now?
Oh, I have no idea.
I think I knew.
Nomad? No.
No. Cello,
Nomad.
was it? Cello?
Nomad.
Oh, Nomad.
Interesting. Okay, so this is the for Nomad. May require payment. What does it mean this should be explained?
Like when it requires payment, I guess.
Isn't that like you can
Yeah.
define that as a user of the bridge?
Yeah, I think it might be better to say may allow payment instead of may require payment. I'm not sure. Writing PR comments is an art.
It is. In which case, Sam Wilson is a master class at it.
I don't know. I think I say I think too much.
Yeah, but that's like S tier way of approaching a comment. They can't tell you that you're wrong.
You're not wrong.
If you say I think, then it's like, what are they gonna say? Like you thought wrong? Your brain? They don't know.
I mean, if somebody replied with "you thought wrong," I'd that'd be pretty funny.
Funny.
This has a good list of authors.
Yeah.
It's chunk.
Nomad is serious, apparently.
Yeah, I see Amex. I see Oren, Nathan.
Hey, at least it's unlikely the EIP will be abandoned.
That's what I was just checking to make sure. I was like, is this going to be another one of these things that just never go anywhere?
Implementing the interface, right?
EPW, unhappy. Proposals must be referenced with form E-N. I mean, it would be nice just to clear up last three comments. Receive messages from a, yeah. Okay, we'll just wait for those. Respond to those things. Rich sites proposed contract metadata. Dan Finlay.
Dan Finlay.
And you're in the trenches.
One point, I don't know if we looked into that or we missed. In the last proposal, I find a link for implementation, which is going to a GitHub, which is obviously out of the EIP's GitHub repository. Is it fine, or would we like to suggest or recommend anything on that too.
Yeah. Where is it?
Implementation section. Or am I looking at earlier?
We're looking at different ones. 5164.
That's right. No, I'm looking at 5164. It's just that
I don't even see the implementation section here.
let me use the chat. 5164, yes. But have they removed it? I just pasted the link here in the chat. Yeah.
This is probably an old,
Okay, yeah.
because he suggested this. So I don't know how you managed to end up on that one. 3BEC. The last commit patch is on. Yeah, they're already on AF64. So that was just an older commit for
Sorry.
some reason. No worries. Okay. Many types of phishing attacks rely on users not knowing what contract they're entering with. Propose that wall method of Android with an address should also accept the post mail data from sites just in transaction. Okay. Have you seen this at inverse bra thing?
What?
You haven't seen this? Oh my god.
No, like just the general. Oh no. Okay.
Somebody mined. I don't know if I can actually just. Oh, come on.
Nope. No, that was the one.
Yeah, but it was like failing. Maybe this is. Yeah, look at this. Can you imagine just like interacting with something and just showing up in your MetaMask like at inverse, bro?
Wait, how did it? What?
I think that someone just like mined at inverse bra as like some other
Oh, that's
function.
hilarious. Yeah.
Yeah. And so now some functions, for some reason, it takes precedence. So it's like you do a transfer between contracts and then it shows up in MetaMask. Like you just add inverse broad to the contract.
That's hilarious.
This is why I hate it. I hated all of the contracts. I don't really fully follow what they're proposing here.
It's probably storing some kind of stuff in your wallet about individual contracts.
Yeah, that's roughly where I'm getting to, but that kind of then relies that you as the user verify it the first time you interact with it. which to me is a non-starter. It's just adding a new optional parameter and it keeps the site's users more resistant to phishing. Yeah, I have to spend some more time thinking about this. But overall, please remove the E. Oh. I'm back. Sorry, my internet fully cut out.
Not a problem. I don't know. I lost you and I lost Sam. So I was confused. Like,
Oh,
did
really?
I get dropped or what happened?
Sam was like, "No, I'm not gonna hang out here anymore."
Let me check.
Anyways, I was just in the process of trying to decide if this makes sense as an interface EIP or not. Yeah, I'm gonna +1. And contract resource plus. I don't know what the problem with this is. I guess I need to approve it. Minimal soulbound tokens. This appears correct to me. 721 user and expires and level extension. All right. Burger taxes NFT. Still waiting to get updated after Panda Pips comments, it appears. Scaling pattern. Layer 3.
Interesting.
Good Lord. This is a basic restructuring suggestion, although it starts off with, I don't feel like this needs to be an EIP. Let's take a look at it real quick. 1766 lines, sorry.
No, a suggestion with a lot of opinion. Starting with, I don't feel like it should be an EIP.
Yeah. Interesting. EIP 9000.
Do we have any EIP?
No.
It's quite futuristic proposal.
It's a lot of contract code here. Okay. Layer 3. So upgrading storage structure. We will store the slot's address in a special struct. Call it parent storage and retrieve the slot whenever the specific also interacts with the data store. I'll say that I'm just going to comment on the title issue, and now we have 1 minute left. Probably just stop it there.
Yeah, I think this is it for today. We covered almost all, only 5.
Yeah.
Only 5 are left, but that should be fine. I hope that it would be done by the next meeting. If not, then we can continue from here. Thank you so much, Matt. We covered a lot. Talk to you soon.
Yep. Thanks
Have
a
a
lot,
good day.
Pooja. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.